It's pretty much the home screen of the application. And here you can pretty much tap on the server option and you can go ahead and select whichever server you want to use. You have this free server option, and here you can see all the premium servers down here. You pretty much need a subscription for these servers. So all you have to do is just tap on the server that you want to use. You can see here, just select any one of these servers. We'll ask for connection request and tap on OK, and it will be connected in no time. So you don't have any ads or anything like that. It's a very, very cool and very good VPN to use. Not gonna lie, very decent, and it's fast as well. So do comment below your thoughts on this VPN and let me know as well how fast you think this VPN is. And to get your subscription, pretty much have to tap on this option at the top here where it says premium. Upgrade to premium, or you can pretty much tap on the 3 lines over there and tap on this option here. It says upgrade to premium, and you'll be able to see their subscription prices. You can see here they have monthly subscription, you have a yearly subscription, and you can pretty much see their prices as it relates to each of these subscription and what you'll be getting for each of these subscriptions here. So very good VPN application. Not gonna lie, it's very fast as well. So let me know in the comment section if you have any problem, and I'll see if I can help you out. See you in the next one.